Dear friends, talking about conditional case. What is a conditional case? A conditional case is when two actions happen and one action depends on the other action. Without one action, other action is not possible. This is called a condition. So, we will take two sentences to talk about a condition. First, if you study, you will pass. Let's focus on this sentence. This is a condition that you will pass only if you study. So, let's take this part if you study. Here, if is a conjunction. You study. Study is a verb in its simple present form. It means if you study, you will pass. Your passing depends on if you study. So the cause part, the part which is the cause part that is starting with the conjunction, that part will be in its simple present form. Let's take another example. Unless, or it is also known as if not. Let's build a sentence. Unless you run fast, you will miss the train. It means you will miss the train if you do not run fast. It means you're catching the train depends on if you run fast. Again, a condition. So let's take the first part. The first part, the cause part, is that unless you run fast. Unless, another conjunction, run. Run in its first form, talking about simple present tense. Unless you run fast, you will miss the train. So, you're getting the train or not is depending on this part. And this part, starting with the conjunction, will be in its simple present form.